Hey guys, it's Rick at Elijah Tooling. Give me at least 2 minutes. This is going to take a little longer than that. I'm going to make it worth your while. So today I'm coming to you with one of our cool T-slot type fixtures. And we're going to be talking about the T-slot fastener and the vise that goes into the fixture. So I heard a story the other day about Zig Ziglar, if you've ever heard of him, with his son. One night they visited a restaurant late in the evening, 11 o'clock or so. It was after one of their seminars. And they were waited on a woman who was in her, let's say, advanced age, 70s or so. And Zig leaned over to his son and said, whispered, a salesman did a poor job. And Tom looked at him and was like, what do you mean? What are you talking about? He said, well, if a life insurance salesman had done his job, this old lady would not be working here tonight. And it made me realize that when we sell products, we're selling it because it benefits our customers. And what we kind of forget to do sometimes is tell them what happens if you don't go this way. What happens if you don't purchase this product? So today I'd like to share with you some important benefits from this product, but also want to remind you that there's another side to the selling equation, and that is you could suffer loss by not incorporating these ideas into your manufacturing process. So with that, I got my little rant out of the way. Let me just tell you about this. So this is a T-slot fixture. It incorporates our T-slot fasteners. They work like our other invertible fasteners. In other words, they screwed in and out of the product. In this case, we're having them screw in and out of the modular vises. But they could be a part, they could be a plate, it could be whatever you want to load and unload. And the neat thing about these is that they're moving in slots so that you don't have to have them on a pattern. You know, they can move down this slot. And so we can put them anywhere we want, and we can put them on your machine without a really cool fixture like this one. So the hardware expense is lower when you're using this type of product. Let me just show you now. So we've got the Zerts. Recall that this is a retractable dowel pin. It goes in and out of our multi-purpose hole. So that's really cool because it can stay flush and only be used when you want it to. In this case, I've raised them just enough so that the adjustable modular vise can slide in one direction. Now we've made the bottom of this vise, you can see these counterbores allow us to raise this up and actually use this as a fixed vise. Today we're just going to use it as an adjustable vise. So we've got the adjustable on this side, we've got the fixed on this side, and in this particular scenario, since I've just got this smaller plate, we're only using one side of the gripper. But we could, if we wanted to, have another vise over here and do two parts at the same time. But anyway, I wanted to show you how nice and easy this slides into place. We're going to take our part and we're going to load it here. Slide that into position. And then I'm going to rapidly pull the studs up into the special T-nuts. They're in the bottom of these vises, and lock it into place. Now, if you were going to load and unload this part, of course, you're not going to do this but once, because we do have the adjustment of the vise right here. So now we're going to tighten it, boom, baby. it's ready to go. Even on a plexiglass fixture, it's holding really good. You know what? I think that's it. The idea here, if you standardize it in your process, will save you hundreds, thousands, even millions of dollars, depending on how large a manufacturer you are. We repeat the same thing over and over and over again. In so doing, we get results. Reliable, predictable, repeatable results. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I'm grateful for you. See you next time.